Hi, this is Don Armstrong. This is a demonstration of uploading your existing inventory, uploading media and Excel spreadsheet data to provide PDF information. Okay, welcome to Down and Dirty. This is the import process. So we're going to start a new project today. And what we're going to do is got to load that project with information that we've put together, JPEGs, PDFs, and so forth. So right now we're in a projects, and we're going to go to new, and we're going to call this demo 12123. Okay, let's save this. And now we have an open screen, and it is full. It's not loaded with anything yet. So here we have up on top in our edit file, we have import file, selected item, comments and such. But we're going to go to import file, and we're going to go to the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so going from our demo project that we've set up, we're going to go to verify, one, that our content exists, item ID, quantity, description, model, manufacturer. Okay, so we're open in an Excel spreadsheet right now. So what we want to do is save this, make sure it's saved, and it needs to be closed, okay, because you can't import a folder that's open. So then we're going to go to import file, and we're going to go to the file selection. It's a template, and it allows us to choose, obviously, location, combine location, KCL groups, auto quote, status quote, Atania, Hourglass, any kind of format that you want, and soon you will be able to save that template and just do a simple import. So right now we have a generic item, and it's an XLS, and it is going to be in this folder, which we've already set up. Let's choose that. Okay, and then since you have all of the information current, let's import it. You can now optionally assign, okay, so it's got to allow us to assign different fields. So we can then select, okay, item number, so it's got to ask us, or it's got to show us the item line. Item line number. Now let's keep going, because I think it automatically imports these functions. Mounting, it's got to go through defaults. So let's just say, okay, and import. There you have all of your equipment. Okay, so everything's been assigned. We have, you know, our item, and we now need to go and also collect all of the media. So let's do that now. Okay, so once you have your data loaded, you can go and add media specifically. Here, select the file. You can only load a specific file from this area. What we want to do is batch load. Everything that's in that folder, we want to load in a batch. So what we need to do is exit out of the project, or exit out of demo 123. So we're going to close this, and what we're going to do is select it, and then we're going to hit, you see up here it says import project, import media, add media. So what we need to do is import the media. So we select this file, and it's going to give you ignore uppercase. It's got to allow you a number of defaults that you can set to add your batch file. So pictures, spec sheets, room cards, DWGs, DWFs, and DXWs, and also Revit files, which we do. Silverlight, docs, Excels, anything, really, we can set up. So what we're going to do is keep going, and we're going to find our files. So what we're going to do is use the regular standard Microsoft Alt-A or Control-A, select everything, and we're going to say open and import. So this process might take a while depending on the amount of content that you have. But it is an automated process, and it allows you to walk away, get a cup of coffee, have a beer, and then come back and then see everything that you've loaded. So at this moment, I am going to walk away and get something to eat. Okay, I'm back, and you can see it's taken a minute and a half, so I didn't have time to eat my sandwich. So, anyway, we're going to exit out of this, and we should identify in our project. Let's open it up. Open. And you'll see that it has all the images loaded. So, you know, of course, now we know that this is a bracket for a TV. We did not have CAD files associated with this bracket. Although, if you have Revit or CAD files associated with specific items such as an IV stand or you know, a TV or anything else found in the room, I don't know, mounted monitors or, specific lighting arrangement, you can store that and upload it, and it becomes part of the file. So in this case, we have done a successful import, and we can also go through and see how the images appear. You can see how they appear on the lower left, and on the lower right, it gives you dimensions, depth, and so forth. If we had utilities attached to this Excel spreadsheet, we'd be able to find the utilities or document links. And then also, we can go for item locations, but since we did not have item locations in this demo, it is what it is. So let's look at something. We'll just open up a flyer and see what it looks like. So StatusQuote is compiling the flyer, and it has a report. Let's see what it has. Okay, so there you have the export of all the content. You'll see it has a number of different options that allow you to pick and choose. If you want something added, manufacturer, barcode, item name, or your name, and then you can size it accordingly. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, parameters. Scroll gives you different ways to export it, print, or send it out as a PDF. So that kind of concludes what we're doing here with the information load for StatusQuote. Thank you.